Okay, I'm going to be putting in the boat today. Probably not the best day for a boat ride, but we're trying to coordinate this with one of the grandkids' schedules. So even though it's a little windy, we're going to do it anyway. I always want to look at this boat ramp because it's pretty much a mess. You can see where this part of it's all. There's a part over here where part of the ramp is over there, part of it's over here. Looks like if I back in over here, if I'm not careful, I'll run into that part that's underwater. So probably what I want to do is be over that way, about as close over there as I can be. You'll also notice this here, which makes it really easy to get my truck stuck if I get my tires off this little bit of stuff here. Back it down to that point and see what we think. First boat ride. Charlie looks like he's so at home.
Getting rocked to sleep.
Yeah. He looks like he's just as happy as anybody could possibly be, sitting in your arms riding the boat. That would be cool. So we're out on the water. It's like I said earlier, it's a windy day. We're waiting on a grand visitor. And the boat seems to be doing just fine. It was a little tricky getting in the water because I couldn't get far enough back to get the trailer into the water very much, but I was able to shove it off. And I think when I go to put it on, it's going to be the same thing. I'm going to have to kind of get out in the water and get the boat started up on there and just crank it up on there, which I can do, I believe. Done it before. So it's not quite the smooth, glassy surface that we have at times had here, but it'll do for a first ride. Charlie's happy. Fun, what